Hey guys, my name is Apoor Agarwal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos related to fitness, fashion and a lot of other stuff which you don't wanna miss out. So few years back, I was really disappointed and insecure about my lifestyle, my body, my physique, my day-to-day activities. They were just not up to mark. I really wanted to change, but I didn't know how to. But slowly and surely, I figured out few habits, followed them every single day, and after some time, they completely changed my life. So today I'll be telling you guys these 5 daily habits which I followed. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. So the first habit will be reading books. See, I was never a big reader. In fact, I hated reading books with small words in it. But every successful people on the internet was telling me to do it. So I was like, let's give it a shot. At first, it was really tough giving it your complete attention. But after a while, it changed. So start with few pages, then convert it into few chapters and so on. You will learn a lot about yourself, people around you, how to deal with tough situations. Depending upon the book that you are reading, choice of the book is really important. So make sure to check out this video, 5 life-changing books which everyone should read. If you really want to change yourself, then read all these 5 books within a year. Reading will be the best habit for you to develop your thinking power. Now, the second thing will be to do something creative. Now, what does creative means? It can be anything from playing instruments or doing a side hustle. Like for me, it is to make these videos. Everyone should have something where the work doesn't feel like work. Free your mind, reduce anxiety. Look guys, everyone is studying for some exam, everyone is doing some job, but if you can give 30 to 40 minutes or even an hour to something creative, it will be really beneficial for you. Now, the third habit will be to do something physical. Yeah, I don't mean sex by working out. What I mean is jogging, working out, playing some sort of sports. You want to keep your body healthy, and that will only happen when you are doing something active. I'm not saying you to go to the gym if you don't want to, but do something active. It will keep your body healthy. Go for a run, play some sports. It will not only make you appear fit from the outside, but it will also make your mind free. Fourth habit will be to deciding your goals each day. What I do is, before going to the bed, I think about every important thing I have to do the next day. You can even write it down. This way, I already know what task I have to complete. It may not sound as something big, but if you do it for some time, for few months, you will see your productivity and confidence rise a lot. It narrows your focus, makes you spend your energy on the important tasks which really contributes to your success. And most importantly, it will keep you motivated, because there's always be a thought at the back of your head that I need to complete these tasks today no matter what. Now, the last and the fifth habit will be to not take your appearance for granted. Whether it is small grooming habits such as applying sunscreen, applying face masks, or trimming down your beard, to big changes in your fashion sense. Make a habit of keeping yourself clean and tidy. Wear clothes depending upon the occasion, and most importantly, put some extra efforts into your outfit. That will boost your confidence so much. This habit may feel like it's nothing, but trust me, it is crucial. So these were the 5 habits which will completely change your life if you follow them every single day. If you are looking to start your own fitness journey, then make sure to check out my fitness videos. I have videos on diets, workouts and a lot of other important stuff. Also share it with your friends. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
Why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.